Have you ever wondered why, for most, the only time that motorcycle riders are truly at peace is when they're riding? No family or work distractions, no social media nonsense, just you and your bike. For me, motorcycle riding plays a huge role in my attempt to balance my mindset. When I feel overwhelmed by society and all its bullshit and faults, I can ride anywhere, even if I don't really feel like it, and know that at the end of that ride, I will feel relaxed. For me, riding is a necessary distraction. On a bike, there tends to be a sensory overload, a heightened awareness. It's fight or flight, yet the emotional and peaceful senses are fully charged, and they're the ones that exhilarate me. A beautiful flow through a corner, a gaze out into open fields. It's definitely some kind of magic. Ride, breathe, relax.